Hey everyone!
Oh, damn! Oh my god!
Do you really need this road?
You wildin', nigga, you wildin'. Yeah. Oh, yo, you good, nigga? Oh.
Police should pull over him.
Oh my fucking god. No, not a two-time. Not a fucking two-time. Oh shit.
In western Mexico, more than 1 million residents are without power after a strong earthquake with a magnitude of 7.7.
Ice is coming up onto Sylvan Beach.
In a 2025 thunderstorm, intense winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour pushed large ice chunks from Oneida Lake onto the north shore, creating piles up to 14 feet high and affecting yards of nearby homes. The moment of the 5.5 magnitude earthquake near Florina, Greece, ice balls are a rare natural phenomenon. Due to the combination of wind action, coastline contours, and temperature wind conditions, ice fat and slush rolls around. As a result, ice balls are formed. December 4, 2021, a dome collapse at Mount Semeru in Indonesia triggered major pyroclastic flows in lahars, causing significant damage and casualties.
Astagfirullah. Allah, ya Allah.
A mud volcano began to erupt in the city of Pingding. La massive fish kill occurred on Lake Malopessiano in the Vargashinsky district of the Kurgan region, April 2022. A rare natural phenomenon in the form of cielo UDS that look like an approaching tsunami.
Look at this.
The powerful Hurricane Ian left more than 2 million residents of the American state of Florida without power. Wind gusts reached 70 meters per second, and in several cities the WATR level rose above 2 meters. Massive explosions were reported after a fire broke out at a large warehouse in Balashikha, Moscow Oblast, Russia.
It's like smoke. Oh.
On February 6, 2022, the Biko volcano on Paramusher Island in the Kuril Islands experienced phreatic explosions within its crater lake. Spectacular eruption of Hungatonga Hungaha Pai volcano. On January 4, 2022, the Erta Ale volcano in Ethiopia displayed a bubbling lava lake, a feature of one of Earth's few permanent lava lakes.
midnight ነው ነገር midnight ነው ጉዳዩ